Hello. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Sahiba.
Sahiba, very nice to meet you. I'm Hannah.
You too. Where are you from?
I am from Pennsylvania in the United States. When were you
Okay.
from?
I am from India.
India. Where in India?
Mm, Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, I don't
Or
think I know that. In Northern, okay. Okay, wonderful. Yeah. So what time is it right now in India?
uh, 10:03 p.m.
Oh, 10:30 p.m. Or 10. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And there?
Okay. Right now it's 5:34 p.m.
Oh, 5:34
Yeah.
p.m. Okay.
Yeah.
It's night
So
here.
yeah, nighttime. What did you do today?
Yes. Uh, I mm, I wrote some books. I do painting.
Oh,
I cook some foods. Yeah.
what did you cook?
And vegetables.
Oh, great. Yeah, I don't have a kitchen currently. So, I eat at a cafeteria. I'm a student, so I live in a dorm
Oh,
or a student residence hall. Yeah, so I don't have a kitchen and I have to eat at the cafeteria. But I like cooking.
so what's your
Yeah.
profession?
So right now I'm a student, and I study public health.
Okay.
What about you? Oh, you're also a student. And what do you study?
Yeah, uh, I'm studying 11th grade.
Oh, you're in the 11th grade?
Yeah.
Oh, you're very
Your
mature for
age?
your age.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um, how old are you?
17.
You're only 17? Wow, I thought you were older. You look you look very mature. How old do you think I am? Guess.
20, 23.
23. Yes. How did you know?
23?
Yeah, I'm 23, yeah. You got
Okay.
it. Yeah, nice. Good guess. Good
It's
guess.
correct.
It is. Your answer is correct. Yeah. Yeah. Great.
Okay.
So do you have
So,
any siblings?
yeah, two older brother and one
Okay.
sister. She's married.
Okay.
Yeah, I am younger.
You're the youngest.
Yeah. So, what about you? Your family?
Yeah, I have two sisters and two brothers. So I have one older brother and then me, and then I have a younger sister, a younger brother, and then another younger sister. So
Four,
there's five of
four,
us.
five.
Four siblings, but five total, including me.
Okay.
Yeah.
You live with your family.
I did live with my family, but I am studying in London, so I moved to London to study.
Okay.
Yeah. And do you live with
So,
your family?
yeah.
Okay.
So, your favorite season?
Oh, my favorite season. Well, the seasons are definitely different in the United States than they are in India. I bet. So my favorite season back home is summer. I
Oh,
like summer. Yeah.
okay. Me too.
You like summer? You like hot?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it. It's fun. You do a lot of fun activities outside. I like being outside.
Do you like to travel?
I do like to travel. I haven't traveled much, but I was able to travel to London to do my studies. So I was very lucky to be able to do that. I would love to travel more though in the future. How about you?
Like, I I want to come London and America. I
Oh, to come
love.
to London and America? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where in America?
Uh, but I want to come.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of really beautiful places in the United States to
Yeah,
visit.
I heard.
Yeah. Have you ever traveled before?
Sorry?
Have you traveled in the past?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
You're still very young though. Yeah, in the future.
you have been to India?
No, I've never been to India.
You will come?
Hopefully in the future.
Okay.
Right now, though, it's difficult to travel because of the pandemic.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I've heard that things are not good right now in
Okay.
India with coronavirus.
Yeah. There is the coronavirus right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And I heard in India it's not doing well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what do you like to do? In fun? For fun?
Yeah, I really like going on walks with my friends and seeing different sites. So in London, there's a lot of different sightseeing to do and tourist attractions. So I like going on walks and seeing things. I also like playing volleyball. You know volleyball? Yeah, and yeah, the sport, and I like other sports too. I like playing sports with my friends. Yeah. How about you?
Okay, nice. No, I don't like.
Okay. What do you do for fun though? You said you paint, yeah? You said you paint?
Yes. So, I like reading and pen. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. What do you paint?
Nature.
Nature. Beautiful. Hmm.
Do you
Do
like
you want to
painting?
continue painting? I do like painting,
Okay.
yeah. I like painting a lot. I used to paint a lot when I was younger.
Okay.
Yeah. Is there a lot of nature to see in India?
Sorry, I
Is there
cannot
a
hear
lot of
you.
nature? Oh, sorry. Is there a lot of nature in India?
Yes, yes.
Yeah? Oh, I
Yeah.
would love to visit and see. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Well, it looks like our time is almost over, but it was very nice to meet you, Sahiba.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Well, I hope you have a wonderful night.
Okay.
Okay. And I hope to speak with you again.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Bye.